Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In last video, we seen the theoretical part of this set. In this video, we will see the difference between the different types of sets we have. So I taken on class and I initialize one empty hash set of this type generic type of string so that we can. So I will add the elements of the string type in the hash set. So I will add a Java as a first element and I will take second element as a SQL. Okay, I will copy this to so it will, okay, we will remove it to HTML. Okay, and I will keep SQL as also so that we can check that this hash set is allowing the duplicate elements or not. So I will print this one. Just let's run the program so we will see. See, you can see that hash set is not allowing the duplicate elements because in the second and fourth position we are like fourth elements we are storing the SQL, so it will not allow the duplicates. I think clear for this, clear for you. Okay, next we have one more method, remove method. Based on the element like we are mentioning it. When I remove HTML, like mention the HTML, and when I try to print, just see it is removing the HTML element from the hash. Like we have remove method, we have add method. We have one more method called remove all. Remove all is used to remove all the element from the hash. Like it will print an empty array. Let's run the program. See, it is giving a empty array as a output. Okay. And similar to this, we have one more method. It just dot clear. It will also use to remove all the elements from the array. Working like clear and remove are doing the same function. Let's print out this HS again. I will comment out this one so that you can understand. Okay, let's run the program. See, again, it is printing empty arrays when we use clear also. Like this, we have many more methods. Like for beginner level, it is recommended like you have to know what is add, clear, and remove method. Like this, and remove all methods. Okay. Uh, Next, I will take one more example for like tree set so that you can understand what is the difference. Tree setup type integer. TS is equal to new true set. So I will add the elements in the tree set with the add method. Add method is common in all the set. Okay, you have to remember these things. And ts dot add, ts dot add. Let's add again one duplicate. Let's see. I will copy this to try to add two more elements. Three. I will add two. When I try to print this one, we will get a sorting order and it will not store the duplicate element. Okay, let's run the program so that see it is stored giving 1, 2, 3, and that is also in the sorting order. So it is maintaining natural sorting order in the ascending, like lower to higher. We can do custom sorting also. Let's see that one also. TS dot add TS dot descending descendants. Some statement in the lower category. See, it is reversing the order, like it is before it is an ascending order. Now when we are using this inbuilt method called descending set, it is printing the reverse order, like 3, 2, 1 in a descending order. Okay, we have a remove and add method also. Yes, dot remove. Let's print the statement. Run the program. See, you are getting, yeah. In remove, it is removing this third element value, and remove all, it is removing all the elements. If 1, 2, it is removing, it is giving empty array. Okay. I think you understood what is the difference between the tree set and the hash set. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and share with your friends. I will do the source code link in the description. You can download it and you can